Hello guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Just Markets quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, log in your Just Markets account and go to the withdraw section. Once you are in the dashboard of your Just Markets account, click on this side panel right here and then click on withdrawal. Now select your preferred withdrawal method like bank transfer, e-wallet, or crypto. You can choose between Visa as well, or if you want any bank accounts that you want to withdraw your funds to, then you can just select that. And then next is enter the amount you want to withdraw and provide the required details. Make sure your payment method matches the one you used for deposits to avoid any kind of issues. And then just click on withdraw and then right here, now just confirm the transaction and wait for processing. Withdrawal times may vary depending on the method you choose. And that's how you withdraw money from Just Markets.